Yeah, so I'm standing on top here just to help you to see how the level looks like on top. That is what I was explaining, that it's just the same. I'm on top of the floor. Below the black plastic is the shutter ply board. So I'm standing on the shutter ply boards here. That's how the floor will be looking like. But the plastic obviously will go down. So it will be spread throughout all these beams, and then they will knock the shutter ply board. So I hope the questions about the level can be seen from this top, you know, level where I'm standing on top, just to help to understand. And another thing is that on those beams that you see, there's scotch screws, there's bolts that are going to be bolted on Monday. So it's not only the nails, it's still work in progress. They're gonna bolt to make them, those beams, very solid. These bolts that have got washers that will be bolted there to make this structure super solid. We've got them, we bought them today. And then the scotch screws. So this is what we are doing here. We are leaving now. So this is what we are doing. As you can see, the guys are there waiting. We are leaving. The material is there. Monday we start. Yeah. That is what we are doing here. So I just thought of adding this as well, just to help the client to understand where we are from the vantage point of being on top of this structure. I'm right on top of the floor right now. I'm standing on the vantage point. That's how it will be if someone is in the bedroom here. That is how they will see the views and all this. Yeah, so thank you. I think you can see what these guys are doing. The house is built in a V. It's a V plan because, of course, to allow the deck. If it was straight, then how was the deck going to be set up? It was going to be difficult because the deck was going to be way over those trees. And on this one, it was going to be way over going towards the tree, going to the parking. So that's why it's a V. You can see that this house is a V-shaped. So these are some of the things just to help you understand that on a naked eye, it would look like the guys are messing things here, but that's exactly how the plan is. These two houses, they form a V design. They form a V design. Yeah. The ground, that's how it is. The distance between the beams is 450 millimeters on the joints, these ones. Exactly according to the plan. 450 spacing on beams, 2 to 8. This is the most solid timber that you can get, 2 to 8. So this house is built on beams, making it one of the most solid houses that we have ever built. And these are the pores according to the plan also, 129 to 140 pores. These are 140 pores, treated CC8 pores. So everything here is on plan. This is a black plastic DPC 250 millimeter micron. So there's no shortcut. In between is just that small part. We are not touching in the front because that's where your deck is coming from, or that's where the deck will come from. Will come, and then the pergola and also the bomber. So we are just doing the foyer, which is a continuation of these of the two structures and the roof sheets. The only difference being that there is going to be a flat roof. Yeah. So I just felt to give you a report of what we've been doing and what is our work program or schedule for Monday. On Monday we are doing the floors. Then we are going to board this structure, scotch screw it, making it solid, so that it's not only nails. We have got those bolts and washers, and then we are starting to build the uprights, which is the walls, on Monday. Yeah, that is the work plan, just to keep you posted. And then once the structure is up, we put the trusses that I showed you, which are these ones. And then after that, raise the structure, anchor the structure, and then roof the structure with the roof sheets. And then clad the Nutec from the outside, ISO boards, OSB boards, and then windows and doors, and that will be the structure. Yeah, that will be the structure. So we expect to get more of the materials next week. For example, the roof sheets, the other materials that are needed here. Thank you.